How can I store downloadable attachments on my LISTSERV Maestro server? LISTSERV Maestro allows you to include all types of attachments with your email messages. To add an attachment, simply open the Attachments panel on the right side of the screen when entering your content and click the Add Attachment button to upload any file from your computer. However, in order to save bandwidth and to reduce the size of your messages, LISTSERV Maestro can also act like a file sharing platform and host your attachments for you. To take advantage of this capability, open the Hosted Attachments panel instead and click on the Manage Hosted Attachments link. You can now upload any number of files just like before, only this time the attachments will be stored on the LISTSERV Maestro server, allowing you to include links in your messages for your subscribers to download the files. To include one of these LISTSERV Maestro generated download links, use the editor as if you were entering a regular URL. Now use the pull-down menu and select Hosted Attachment and the file name that you would like your subscribers to be able to download, followed by OK. As mentioned, this not only saves bandwidth, especially if you're including large files or reports, but it also allows you to track which of your subscribers actually downloaded the file. On the Tracking Definition step, you will notice that the file that you uploaded is included in the list of automatically tracked links. After you have delivered your message, your email job will be included on the dashboard like usual, allowing you to access all of the typical metrics and see how many, and depending on the level of tracking that you selected, which of your subscribers downloaded your file. Thank you for watching.